All right, good morning, everyone. It is 9:04 on the morning of July 25th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. The VIX, the risk range on the VIX is getting a lower low than previous days, weeks. And it's interesting. You're not supposed to chart the VIX, and I have a couple of support lines here on the VIX. So, yeah, I ought to just take them off. Really, let's see. Let's delete them. There we go. There, that one. I'm gonna keep that one. I mean, Anyway, so the VIX, the bottom end of the risk range on the VIX is coming lower. It's still above 20, coming in at 22.11. So it'll be interesting. This morning, let's see, the VIX is up 3.7%. It's still at 23.90, which implies a movement of up to, what is that, 4%? I think with a VIX in the 23, 24 range. That could mean a move of 4% is possible in any one given day, and it's most likely going to be the downside since we're in earnings aren't so great this earnings season so far, and so personally I think the VIX is setting up for another big move higher after it comes down to, I don't know. It's quite possible it could come down to this red support line right here. I think in the short term, the market is going to be a little bit bullish this week. I think it's going to be the buy the rumor, sell the news. There's a lot of GDP speculation. There's a GDP reading that's coming out this week. Plus, I don't know, the Fed has something going on. And so I think until then, it's today, tomorrow, and then into Wednesday, there's going to be a lot of choppy trading. I think there's going to be a lot of people getting shaken out. It's going to be a tricky time to trade. Plus, it's summertime, so the volume is going to probably be low, quite low. I'm going to kind of sit back and wait for the extremes again. I'm really just going to sit back and hang out until we get extreme moves on the SPY and the S&P, or I'm sorry, the S&P and the IXIC, the tech sector. What is that called? The Nasdaq. So let's go to the risk range plays, and we're kind of pushing. That risk range has since changed. Let me pull it up. Let me see what that is. 4042 at the top end. 4042. And on the bottom end, we've got 3731. All right, so the bottom end moved down a little bit further. And the top end it came down a little bit. So yeah, I mean, I think right in here is probably a good spot to start averaging in again, but I think it's going to take a little while. Averaging in on shorts again. Let's see, IXIC 12012095. Oop. Okay. So it bounced right off of that. 10907. All right. And lower end of the range went lower. Yeah, my bias is still the downside. My bias is still bearish, and I think that the market is setting up for the end of the week. I think that there's some GDP data coming out, and the Fed has something to say. And the Fed has something to say. I've forgotten which comes first, and I don't really care actually. I just trade the chart that's in front of me. but I'm guessing that things turn extraordinarily bearish toward the end of the week. That's my guess. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.